Hey everyone, get ready for some amazing discoveries. Since the beginning of time, people have been finding incredible things, from deep jungles to the bottom of the ocean. But some discoveries are so strange, they leave us with more questions than answers. Let's check out some of these mysterious discoveries that have puzzled scientists and historians for ages. Back in 1901, divers found something incredible off the coast of Greece. In a sunken Roman ship, they discovered a device so complex that it took over 100 years to figure out what it was. This device, called the Antikythera mechanism, shows just how clever the ancient Greeks were. Imagine back then people thought the Earth was the center of the universe, but they built this incredibly advanced device. It had gears and dials, more like a modern clock than anything you'd expect from over 2,000 years ago. But it wasn't just a clock. The Antikythera mechanism could predict the movements of the sun, moon, and even the planets. It could even tell you when eclipses would happen. The craftsmanship is seriously impressive. Even today, it's super hard to make a copy of the Antikythera mechanism. It makes us rethink what we know about the past and realize that ancient people might have known way more than we thought. It reminds us that we're always learning new things about history. Who knows what other secrets are hidden beneath the waves, just waiting to be found. Deep inside a famous university, there's a book unlike any other. It's covered in leather, with beautiful writing and strange drawings. It's called the Voynich manuscript, and it's a total mystery. For hundreds of years, people have been trying to figure out what it says, but no one has cracked the code. We think it's from the 1400s, but no one knows for sure where it came from. The pages are filled with drawings of weird plants, maps of the stars, and writing in a language no one understands. The drawings themselves are super interesting. Some show plants that don't exist anywhere on Earth, while others seem to show things happening in space. Even though lots of smart people have tried, no one can understand the writing in the Voynich manuscript. Some think it's a secret code hiding important information. Others think it might be a fake, made to trick people. But the writing is so complex and the drawings are so detailed that it seems almost impossible to fake. The Voynich manuscript is a true enigma, reminding us that some mysteries might never be solved. Will we ever know what it says, or will it always remain a secret? The lines were made with incredible precision. Even though they're in a desert, they've stayed intact for centuries. To make them, you'd need to know a lot about geometry and surveying, and it would take a ton of people working together. But the biggest question is, why were they made? What was their purpose? Some people think they were used to track the stars, aligning with constellations or marking important days like the solstices. Others think they were part of religious ceremonies, paths for processions or offerings to gods, and some even believe they were a way to communicate with beings from outer space. The Nazca lines are a mystery, a testament to the skill and artistry of a lost civilization, and a reminder that the past still holds many secrets. Our journey into the world's craziest discoveries takes us to Turkey, to a place that has changed how we think about human history. Here, on top of a hill, are the ruins of Göbekli Tepe, a huge complex of structures that are even older than Stonehenge. Its discovery shocked archaeologists and made them rethink everything they thought they knew about the past. Imagine a time before pottery, before the wheel, even before farming. But at Göbekli Tepe, hunter-gatherers were building huge structures. They made massive stone pillars arranged in circles and carved them with pictures of animals, both real and imaginary. The size and detail of the site are amazing. Some of the pillars weigh up to 20 tons and are covered in carvings of lions, foxes, snakes, and scorpions. We still don't know for sure what Göbekli Tepe was used for. Was it a religious site, a place for pilgrimages or rituals? Or maybe it was a meeting place, a central point for a society on the verge of great change. Whatever it was, Göbekli Tepe shows us just how clever and capable our ancient ancestors were.